from the first equation, you start with middle number, right? Cross multiplication. Now the coefficient of x2 is minus 6. Next, the coefficient of x3 2. Then the coefficient of x1 is 8. Like this you write middle term, the next term 2, the next term 8. Again, once again you write that minus 6. First term whatever you are writing here, that term once again you write here. The finally once again here you start with middle term. That line is minus 6, 2, 8, minus 6. Now from the second equation, the middle number is, what is that sir? 7 here. 7 minus 4, 6, again 7. You write here, this is upper part x1, x2, x3. Middle of minus 6 and 2 you write here x1. In the same way, middle of 2 and 8, x2. From these two things you write x3. x1 by minus 6 into minus 4 plus 24 minus determinant of the first 4 elements here. 7 into 2 minus 14 equals to x2 by 2 into minus 6 minus 12 plus anyhow 8 into minus 4 is minus 32, minus into minus it becomes plus 32 equals to x3 by 8 sevens are 56. This is minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36 anyhow minus is there, 56 minus 36 equals to k. Now x1 by 10 equals to x2 by 20 minus 12 plus 32 20 equals to x3 by 20 equals to k. 10 ones are 10, you cancel here, 10 twos are 20, 10 twos are 20, x1 equal to k, finally x2 equal to 2k and x3 equal to 2k. Now substitute all these values in the vector x1, x2, x3 equals to k, 2k, 2k, that equal to k is common 1, 2, 2. Now this is linearly independent vector and k is nothing but parameter corresponding to lambda equal to 0, 1, 2, 2 is the eigenvector. Suppose if you are putting k equal to 1, then first eigenvector, k equal to 2, another eigenvector, k equal to 0.1, another eigenvector, means corresponding to one eigenvalue we are getting many eigenvectors. Therefore, x1 equal to 1, 2, 2 is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 0. Second case, eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 3. Let x2 equal to x1, x2, x3 which is not equal to 0 with a non-zero vector corresponding to lambda equal to 3 such that matrix A minus lambda I into x2 equal to 0. Now matrix A minus lambda I is 8 minus lambda minus 6, 2 minus 6, 7 minus lambda minus 4, 2 minus 4, 3 minus lambda into vector x1, x2, x3 equals to 0, 0, 0. 0 means 0 matrix. Now you substitute lambda equal to 3 in above system. 8 minus lambda, 8 minus 3 means 5, minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7 minus lambda, 7 minus 3, 4, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 3 minus lambda, 3 minus 3, 0 into vector x1, x2, x3 equals to 0, 0, 0. Now you multiply these two matrices, first matrix and second matrix, first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. Now you multiply first one, first row, first column, 5x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 equals to 0, minus 6x1 plus 4x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0, 2x1 minus 4x2 plus 0 into x3 equal to 0. Again, if you want to solve this system of linear equations, you can consider any two equations. Now I am considering second and third equation. From the second equation, you start with middle term. The middle term coefficient of x2 is 4. Next, coefficient of x3 is minus 4. Again, the coefficient of x1 is minus 6. Once again, at last, you write coefficient of x2 is 4. Middle term, next term, again once again you write first term. That is 4 minus 6, 4. From the third equation, what is the coefficient of x2 here? Minus 4. Next, coefficient of x3 0. Coefficient of x1 2. Last term once again minus 4. Now, determinant of first 4 elements, 4 into 0, 0, minus 4 into minus 4, minus 16, means plus 16, 0 minus 16, that equal to x2 by minus 4 into 2, minus 8, 0 into minus 6, 0, x3 by 24, 6 into minus 4, 24, minus 8 equal to k. x1 by minus 16, x2 by minus 8, x3 by 16 equal to k. Now minimize the numbers here. x1 by minus 2, x2 by minus 1, x3 by 2, means you have to cancel 8 minus 2 is minus 16, 8 minus 1 is minus 8, 8 2 is 16. That implies x1 equal to minus 2k, x2 equal to minus k and x3 equal to 2k. Now substitute these values in the second vector. x2 equal to x1, x2, x3, that equal to minus 2k, minus k, 2k, k is common here. Then minus 2, minus 1, 2 is the linearly independent vector. Therefore, x2 equal to minus 2, minus 1, 2, otherwise 2, 1, minus 2. You can take minus common from this one, then that is also correct, the second eigenvector. If you are taking minus common, it would be the first two elements are plus, the third element is minus. Is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 3. Third case, eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda equal to 15. Let x3 equal to x1, x2, x3, which is not equal to 0 with a non-zero vector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda equal to 15, such that matrix A minus lambda I into x3 is equal to 0. This is the formula, A minus lambda I into x3 is equals to 0. Now matrix A minus lambda I, 8 minus lambda, minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7 minus lambda, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 3 minus lambda into vector x1, x2, x3, which is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0 matrix. Now you substitute lambda equal to 15. After substituting lambda equal to 15 in the above matrix, we get 8 minus 7, 8 minus 15, minus 7, minus 6, 2, minus 6, minus 8, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 3 minus lambda means 3 minus 15, minus 12 into vector x1, x2, x3 equals to 0 matrix, 0, 0, 0. Now you multiply first two matrices, first row first column, second row second column, third row third column. Now from the first row first column we are getting the first equation, minus 7x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. Second equation, minus 6x1 minus 8x2 minus 4x3 equals to 0. Third equation, 2x1 minus 4x2 minus 12x3 is equal to 0. Now already in the first system, in the first case I have taken first two equations. In the second case I have taken second and third equations. Now I am considering first and third equation. Means from this one we can understand you can consider any two equations. Now from the first equation I am writing the again the same logic, middle term minus 6, next term 2, again the coefficient of x1 minus 7. Again after completion of these three elements you write once again the first element minus 6. Now from the third equation minus 4, minus 12, 2, once again you write the first element minus 4, that is minus 4. Now do the calculation, determinant of first 4 elements, determinant of next 4 elements, determinant of next 4 elements. Now from the first 4 elements you write here between minus 6 and 2, above those elements you write x1, in the same way x2 and x3. x1 by determinant of first 4 elements minus 6 into minus 12, 72, again minus is there, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus into minus it becomes plus, x1 by 72 plus 8, x2 by 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 12 7s are 84 equals to x3 by minus 7 into minus 4 plus 28 minus 2 into 6 minus 6 minus 12, minus into minus it becomes plus 28 plus 12, the whole thing equals to k. Therefore x1 by 80 equals to x2 by minus 80, x3 by 40 equals to k. Minimize the numbers, 40 2s are 80, again 40 into minus 2 minus 80, 40 1s are 40, x1 equal to 2k, x2 equal to minus 2k and x3 equal to k. x3 equal to x1, x2, x3, that equal to, you substitute these values, 2k minus 2k, k. Now you take the k common, k is common, 2 minus 2, 1. This is linearly independent vector and k is parameter. I explained you, corresponding to one eigenvalue we are getting many eigenvectors. This is important. You should not think about this is the corresponding to lambda equal to 15. We won't get unique eigenvector. Means this is linearly independent vector, it depends on k value. Therefore x3 equal to 2 minus 2, 1 is a eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 15.